All right, I'm Elliot Ty, and this is my 321 final. So over here, I created an empty folder, and now if we go to my GitLab in-class exercises, copy this link, come back here, git one into the empty folder I made, enter, and then just go to that folder. I'm in here, and then just double click the solution file. And then you can run the test. And the test passed, and then we can just come up here and click run. And first you're brought to the login page where you can go either log in, continue as guest, or create an account. So you can press continue as guest and search for bookings without having to log in. This search box will search for any field in the booking class. So I can type in Pullman and it'll only show that one. And I can come over here to this drop down and select the other types of bookings. And this little drop down here is populated with reflection. So if you just add a new derived class, it'll show up in there. And then this here is also displaying all the text fields in the derived class. So you can just add a new one and then this display will be correct here. So then right now we're a guest. So if we select the booking and try to view it, it kicks us out to the create account page. So I'll just create an account here. And then you can also get to that create account straight from the login page. So let's put in that username and password, then log in, and we're back to the search page. We can select the booking we want, hit view selected booking, and now we're shown the fields the user has to enter specific to that booking. And then this is stored in a dictionary of strings and string like key value pairs, where this is the name and this is the value. So if you want to make a new type of booking, you can just populate the dictionary in there with the keys you want, and then it'll display all of this, and you can get the user's information here and store it in that booking. And then we can book. And now, as a signed in user, you are able to switch over here and view your bookings and still use the same search functionalities here. So that'll make that go away, and you can still use this interface to search through the bookings you have. And then you can also select a booking and choose to cancel it, and you see the status change from pending to canceled. If we log in as a different user, you can see that they don't have any selected bookings. So because we only booked that one flight for the user with the username Q, now this guy doesn't have that. And he can search for available services. We could go to a hotel, search for 4 stars. I'll show the 4 and the 4.5 because those both contain a 4. And select this one. Same thing here. See, now these are different because that dictionary was populated differently. And then you can book that one. And then in this guy's account, we could go and view his service. And then it's in here. So that was searching. Oh, I forgot to show discounts. So if we come here, available services, let's see this one, view selected booking. Over here, we can see the discounts, and the discount says kids under 12 are half off. I showed create account and login. Then I showed you could book each service there. And then also the user, if they're logged in, can show the bookings they have. And then they can also cancel the bookings there. And I think that'll do it.